Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Chudan-no-Kamae, the middle guard position with the katana, the samurai sword. We'll have a look at this from the front. We'll have a look at it from the side. Now, we're going to be right foot forward here in a fairly short high stance, both knees slightly bent, up on the ball of your back foot, your left foot. I've got a two-handed grip on the sword here, my right hand in front, my left hand back behind. I've got my hands well separated. You're not holding a baseball bat. Curl the little finger of your left hand underneath the end of the suka, the hilt. That will help keep this hand in position so it doesn't slide up towards your right hand. And your right hand here is just resting gently against the tsuba, the guard. You don't want to have it jammed up against the tsuba. Just resting lightly. Now we're holding the sword up and out away from us, with the point of the sword up about chin high here. Hands out in front. Just like this. Now from the side, I want to be sure again that I'm keeping my arms up and out away from me, that I'm not dropping the sword in against me here. This is a nice, comfortable position, but I'm not able to use the sword effectively here. I want to be a little bit extended. I don't want to be stuck way out here either. I want a little bit of a bend in my elbows. And the hilt of the sword, the suka, is well clear of my body, so that I'm able to use the sword, move it about at need. And again, I've got the kisaki here, point of the sword, up about chin high. I want to be careful that this isn't starting to rise up toward the ceiling. Right about my own chin height, that's good height for this. It gives you a good reference point. Again, from the front, we have Chudan-no-Kamae, the middle guard position. This is a position that you'll be using a great deal with the katana, with the samurai sword. You're going to see this one a lot. So it is worth understanding, it is worth practicing. Thank you for joining me.